Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video we'll show you what to do if the TalkBack feature is turned on and you can't seem to turn it off on your Android phone. So as you can see right now, the TalkBack feature is activated on my phone. The most easiest way to turn it off is to hold down the volume down and volume up button together. You just need to hold these two buttons together for 2 to 3 seconds. Once you do, the TalkBack feature will be turned off, as you can see. Now if this does not work for some reason, you can also go to the settings app to turn this feature off. Now this might be difficult because you can't access your phone as usual, but it's still possible to do so. Instead of using one finger to swipe, you will need to use two fingers together. So as you can see on the screen, I'm swiping with two fingers at once. So this will allow you to go to the settings app. Now if you want to select the settings icon, instead of selecting it one tap, you will need to double click it, just like you do on your computer or Mac. So go to the settings app. Now here, scroll down and find accessibility. Once you are here, you will see this TalkBack option. Go ahead and click on it. Now all you need to do is turn this toggle off and TalkBack will be disabled. To ensure that TalkBack doesn't turn on by itself in the future, you can also disable this TalkBack shortcut option from here. This will prevent you from activating the feature by accident. Once you do this, your issue will be solved. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.